Our digital media collections can be vast and varied. Organizing and accessing our favorite movies, shows, music, and photos can be a daunting task. What can we do to fix that? Welcome to Mini PC Tech, where we talk about all things Mini PC. This is Mike, your host. Enter Plex, a powerful media server application that turns your Mini PC into the heart of your home entertainment system. Mini PCs, compact yet powerful, offer the perfect platform for Plex, blending performance with convenience for an unparalleled home entertainment experience. Today, we're exploring Plex on Mini PCs through real-life use cases. Ready to transform your digital chaos into a seamless entertainment experience? Let's dive in. Starting with a digital mess? Plex turns chaos into order. Watch as it effortlessly organizes your movies, shows, and music into a user-friendly library. With Plex, your next movie night is just a few clicks away. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to instant access. Worried about file compatibility? Plex speaks the language of nearly all media file formats. From vintage classics in AVI to modern masterpieces in MKV, Plex ensures your collection is ready to play, no conversion needed. Plex optimizes your media for the best possible viewing experience, ensuring your home theater system rivals the big screen. Organized, compatible, and cinema quality. Plex and your Mini PC together transform your living room into a home theater paradise. Ready to elevate your movie nights? Plex is the way. Imagine having your entire media library in the palm of your hand, no matter where you are in the world. With Plex's remote access feature, this becomes your reality. Plex bridges the distance between your media and you, turning any trip into a continuation of your home entertainment experience. But what about security? With Plex, your peace of mind is paramount. Thanks to secure, encrypted connections, you can enjoy your media without worries, knowing your personal entertainment haven is protected against prying eyes. From the comfort of your home to the furthest corners of the globe, Plex ensures your favorite movies, music, and photos are always just a click away. Whether you're on a business trip or a vacation, Plex brings your media to you, making every location feel like home. With Plex's remote access, your media knows no boundaries. Secure, convenient, and global, it's your entertainment, anywhere. With Plex, sharing your favorite moments is easier than ever. Add your cherished photos and videos to your library and create a shared album in just a few clicks. Whether it's a wedding, a birthday, or a casual weekend getaway, Plex lets you share those special times with anyone, anywhere. Worried about privacy? Plex gives you full control over who sees what. With customizable user permissions, you can ensure that your guests only see the content you've chosen for them. From parents controlling the kids' movie selections to sharing sensitive content with specific friends, Plex makes it simple and secure. The real magic of Plex lies in the joy of sharing. Those laughs, tears, and smiles when your loved ones relive the moments you've shared create connections that last a lifetime. It's about more than just media. It's about strengthening bonds, sparking conversations, and bringing people closer, no matter the distance. Sharing with Plex is not just about streaming. It's about bringing hearts and minds together, creating a community of memories that grow richer with every shared moment. Start your sharing journey with Plex today, and bring your loved ones closer. Transform your cluttered music collection into a streamlined digital library. Plex serves as your personal music server, where every album and track is at your fingertips. Whether it's your morning wake-up playlist or the perfect dinner party background, Plex puts your entire music collection in your control, easily accessible from anywhere. From FLAC to MP3, Plex effortlessly handles a wide range of audio formats, ensuring your music and podcasts are always ready to play. No need to worry about compatibility. Plex streams your beats and talks in the highest quality, no matter their original format. Plex creates a seamless listening experience that moves with you. Start a podcast in the kitchen and finish it in your car. With Plex, your audio entertainment is never tied to one place. Integrate Plex with your smart home devices for a hands-free listening experience. Just say what you want to hear, and Plex delivers, making your audio experience as smooth as your favorite tune. With Plex as your personal music server, your audio collection becomes more accessible, versatile, and enjoyable. Ready to dive into a world where your music and podcasts follow you seamlessly? Let Plex lead the way. Today, we've journeyed through the dynamic world of Plex on mini PCs, discovering its power to organize, share, and enhance our media experience. From transforming living rooms into personal cinemas to keeping us connected with loved ones, Plex proves to be an essential part of modern digital life. But the true potential of Plex is unlocked when you tailor it to your life. Imagine the possibilities: your movies, music, and memories, all in one place, accessible anytime, anywhere. It's not just about the media you love. It's about experiencing and sharing it in ways that were never possible before. Ready to transform your media experience? Start your Plex journey today. Dive into the world of mini PCs with Plex to discover the perfect setup for your entertainment needs. Check out the posts in the description below for more on how to get started and make the most of your digital media with Plex and mini PCs. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Plex's incredible capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on tech that makes your life better. Until next time, keep enjoying and sharing your media in the smartest ways possible.